Hello, welcome to Weldtech University for the project titled Design of Computer Assisted Decision Support System for Neurodegenerative Diseases. Myself, I am Rajesh Burla, VT2553, final year EC student, Weldtech University. Coming to my project, it is an interconnected project in associated with Weldtech University Chennai and National University of Singapore with a professor guided from National University of Singapore. It was internally guided by Mr. K. Ananda Saravanan, Associate Professor, Department of ECE, Weldtech University, and externally guided by Dr. Lakshminarayan Samavedam, Associate Professor, Department of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering, National University of Singapore. Abstract. Coming to the abstract, this project is aimed at developing a software for end users, in this case doctors. Neurodegenerative diseases. Generally, these diseases are caused in the age between 50 to 60-year aged human beings. Presently, there are many systems present to detect these diseases, and we came to a new proposal system depending on NSCT domain, that is non-subsample counterlet transform, using multinodal fusion technique, and the results prove that it is accurate. Yeah, coming to the introduction, now we are going to have an introduction of neurodegenerative diseases, links between neurodegenerative diseases, proposed system and existing systems. Neurodegenerative diseases. It's an umbrella term of progressive loss of structure and function of neurons, including death of neurons. There are many types of neurodegenerative diseases. Those are Alzheimer's, Parkinson, LMS, etc. And I have done an experiment on Alzheimer's diseases. Existing systems, there are two types of existing systems. One is EEG and other is CT and MRI scan. These EEGs are using signal processing and CT and MRI is using digital image processing. This is an advanced image processing technique used in the present laboratories in the worldwide, and it was made in Harvard University, USA. Proposed system. The proposed system is computer assisted decision support system, which relies on the computer designed software which makes doctors life easily to take a decision on this on the disease. Proposed framework over existing methods. We propose a new method using NSCT domain. There are it uses two techniques. One is low frequency coefficients take aside and high frequency features take a type. For high frequency we use phase congruency, and for low frequency we use IHS color transform. This is a proposed system model. Here we have two input images, one is CT and other is MRI. Here we apply NSCT domain, and low frequency high frequency pixels come aside and they will be fused, and again we will be applying an inverse NSCT domain and we get a final fused image. Basic image fusion we use to reduce amount of data, retain important information and create new images. Fusion categories. There are three types of fusion categories. One is multi-view fusion, multimodal fusion, multi-focus fusion. This is an example of multimodal fusion. Methodology. Algorithm should detect the same features, feature matching. Methods for image fusion are two types: spatial domain and transform domain. Today we are going to apply transform domain using NSCT, non-subsample counterlet transform. Transform stands for intensity use saturation, and counterlet transform, this is an existing model which was developed by Min and Martin. Counterlet filter bank, it is used for the existing system. This is a 2D wavelet transform. The difference you can see over here, it is not clear. Counterlet transform, you can see the difference here, you can view the image very clearly. Non-subsample counterlet transform. Coming to our proposed system, it's a multi-scale and multi-direction computation framework of the discrete images. Phase congruency. Phase congruency is an invariant different pixel intensity mapping. It detects edges, corners and gives a side. This is a proposed framework algorithm which can be seen over here. Directive contrast is known first, and then we will apply for the local contrast. Then mathematically we calculate the directive contrast in NSCT domain. Then we apply SML. SML stands for sum of modified Laplacian. Now consider two input images. One is CT and one MRI. NSCT domain to that. Now a low frequency coefficients are represented by CLA and CL theta B for high frequency, and these images come as. Yeah, now applying low frequency sub images, we apply CLF, and high frequency we apply CL theta F from NSCT. After performing, we are going to change the RGB to L alpha beta, that is logarithmic of alpha beta. The channels will be separated, and again we'll apply inverse L alpha beta to RGB. A conversion is made, and finally we'll get an fused image. This is a step by step process for the showed block diagram. Evaluation of the system index system. Here we calculate quality of the mutual information. First, this is a main formula, and then we will calculate the SSIM, simulation saturity image metric, and finally we calculate edge similarity based image based metric. We calculate these three indices and gives a final output. The experiments are conducted on the two images CT and proposed. A demo of the algorithm implementation in MATLAB has been done, and it will be shown. And this is the final multimodal medical image which has been coded in MATLAB. Conclusion: a novel fusion framework is proposed for a multinodal fusion, which is accurate. Thank you.